Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Zamboanga ang Valenzuela 77-57. Best player of the game si James Ona sa likod ng kanyang 10 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist. Nagtala si Mosqueda ng 6 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal. Altamirano 9 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 block. Torco 4 points, 3 rebounds. Kawelan 5 points, 2 rebounds. Sawat 6 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Kalisay ng 10 points, 2 rebounds, 1 steal. Rojas 6 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. Ignacio 6 points, 1 rebound, 1 steal. Michael R 6 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Gabats 9 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals. Somang 1 rebound, 1 assist. Sena 1 rebound. Para naman sa natalong Valenzuela, Lester Alvarez 4 points, 1 rebound, 1 steal. Forminto 16 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal. Ongtico 7 points, 1 rebound, 3 assists, 2 steals. Niepes 2 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 blocks. Monje 11 points, 10 rebounds, 1 steal. Nag-ambag naman si Alabanza ng 4 points, 2 rebounds. Gisalem 3 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Kaizenlo 4 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist. Casajeros 4 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Mabigat 2 points, 2 rebounds. Lau 0 point. Omale 5 rebounds, 1 assist. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan din ng Gensan Warriors ang Sarangani 73-58. Best player of the game si Val Aconia matapos humakot ng 21 points at 1 steal. Nagtala naman si Mark Cruz ng 12 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Rodriguez 5 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Dionisio 2 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Aprico 12 rebounds, 2 assists, 5 steals. Aconia 21 points, 1 steal. Nag-ambag naman si Hirota ng 4 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists. Bringas 3 points, 8 rebounds. Masaglang 2 points, 1 rebound, 1 steal. Eloytan 3 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Lantaya 2 points. Yo 4 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Tolentino 11 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals. Para naman sa natalong Sarangani, Caliano 2 points, 1 rebound, 3 assists. Kate Jimenez 1.7 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Destacamanto 8 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 4 blocks. Alves 6 points, 2 rebounds, 2 steals, 2 blocks. Gozom 9 points, 3 rebounds. Nag-ambag naman si Diputado ng 11 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Gomez Diliano 2 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Halyari 10 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. Songa 7 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal. Velches 2 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan naman ng Quezon Huskers ang Batangas 70-46. Best player of the game si Diego Dario sa likod ng kanyang 13 points, 6 rebounds, 1 steal. Nagtala si Gonzales ng 7 points, 3 assists at 3 steals. Fuentes 9 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, 4 steals. Sarao 5 points, 3 rebounds, 1 block. Sandago 9 points, 5 rebounds. Yero 2 points, 3 rebounds. Nag-ambag naman sila Grama ng 2 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, 1 steal. Dario 13 points, 6 rebounds. Banal 4 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists. Opeso 6 points, 8 rebounds. Gabayne 3 points, 6 rebounds. Magbohos 8 points, 5 rebounds. Sandago 9 points, 5 rebounds. Para naman sa natalong Batangas, Isit 4 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Baloria 4 points. Ambulodto 9 points, 5 rebounds, 2 steals. Ablasa 6.7 rebounds, 2 assists. Ochea 1.4 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal. Nag-ambag naman si Apina ng 5 points, 4 rebounds. Ighalo 3 points, 2 rebounds. Porter 4 points, 2 rebounds. De La Virgen 2 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. Cruz 4 rebounds. Panyamugan 8 points, 3 rebounds. Importante 3 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 13, 2025 na gaganapin sa Cunita Astrodome. Maglalaban ang Imos at Pampanga alas 4 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Cebu at Caloocan alas 6 ng gabi. Magtutuos naman ang Pasay at Ilagan Isabela alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of March 12, 2025. Abra 1 win 0 loss. Ilagan Isabela 1 win 0 loss. Pangasinan 1 win 0 loss. Nueva Ecija 1 win 0 loss. Quezon City 1 win 0 loss. Manila 1 win 0 loss. Pasay 0 win 1 loss. Bataan 0 win 1 loss. Bulacan 0 win 1 loss. Marikina 0 win 1 loss. Valenzuela 0 win 1 loss. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of March 12, 2025. Imos 1 win 0 loss. Rizal 1 win 0 loss. Quezon Huskers 1 win 0 loss. Zamboanga 1 win 0 loss. Gensan Warriors 1 win 0 loss. Binyan 0 win 1 loss. Mindoro 0 win 1 loss. Basilan 0 win 1 loss. Batangas 0 win 1 loss. Sarangani 0 win 2 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.